Hello traders, today is January 5th, it's a Wednesday. We're going to look at the Atlas line, the signals, the orders, why we went long and why we went short. Just explain to you a little bit on the software trading the E-mini S&P. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please understand there are risks involved with trading. The Atlas line uses price action. It creates this line you see here on the bottom of the chart, and it also provides orders to go long or to go short. So as long as we're above the Atlas line, the orders will only be long, and you can turn on or off these additional signals, which are pullback, strength trades, and there's also bounce trades, which I currently have turned off. And so the Atlas line provides these signals with exact pricing to enter into the market as long as we have price trading above or trading below the Atlas line. You will see these signals, and the signals are based on price action. So the first signal of the day, 47.78 to go long, and the market did in fact go long and continue. What we don't want to see is the market go sideways or go down or even cross back below the Atlas line. So the goal behind using the Atlas line is using these generated orders, these signals, to go long and then managing the trade with a time-based stop, a prove-it stop, and a catastrophic stop, which is all explained during the live training we include with the Atlas line software. Now, as we continue, the market went up, strength trade, pullback trade, strength and pullback trade, and then it bounced off of the Atlas line here. This is called an Atlas line bounce signal. And I can turn that on. If I come here, Atlas line bounce, check it, and you'll be able to see that the market gave an Atlas line bounce signal every time it bounces off of the Atlas line. Now, in addition, what I'd like to do is see what happens if the market continued once it crossed the Atlas line to the downside. And so from here, about 11:45 or so, the market gave a signal to go short, and the market went down just a little bit and then went sideways. So if you're in this trade to go short and 2.5 points was not enough for you, you have to get out of this signal because obviously it did not continue to the short side. The next signal occurred to go long. Now we're back above the Atlas line. This is only going to be a long trade, and the market went up, additional strength and pullback trades as well. Now we have the market crossing back below, once again, short signals. Now this is very simple. In order to go short, what the software looks for is 2 consecutive candles to close either above or below. So the goal here is not just following software, but looking and waiting for the candles to close, 2 consecutive candles which in fact closed below, provided a signal, and then the market continued to go lower with additional pullback opportunities and strength opportunities. So these P's and these S's are additional opportunities to sell the market. They're individual trades. And now here we are as we speak here at about 2 o'clock, and the market is still below the Atlas line, and it's still continuing to give pullback and strength trades. Now we have some news that just occurred. I always recommend not trading during the news, always watching and being careful. If you'd like to learn how to trade the news, we do have news trading videos available for free. Visit the YouTube channel or search DayTradeToWin blog for how to trade the news. We have lots of videos on how to do that. The next mentorship class is starting in just a few days. If you're interested, visit DayTradeToWin.com. You can get all the information on how to join the next upcoming mentorship class or more information on the Atlas line. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.